Today I'm going to do a product review on the AMZCHEF Espresso Coffee Machine. Okay, for first time use, you need to go ahead and fill this up with water. So fill it up to the max. Then you're going to plug it in and turn on the power, and then let the water come out of the steam one for 8 seconds. That is recommended with first time use per the directions on the top. We're going to turn on the machine and let it preheat, and then you can put your cup on top and keep it warm. And the preheat is done when all of your buttons here are on and they're not flashing. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to insert your coffee filter. And then you choose like how many shots that you want, and then you can also adjust the temperature here. You have 3 different settings. The high temperature is the green light, the standard temperature is the white light, and low temperature is no light. And then you choose your espresso. Shot of espresso. Put some sugar-free syrup in here. That is very good coffee. Enjoy!